ready? Ready to start the paint? Get it going again? It's gonna be sneezy! Yeah! Yeah! Get some of that dirt
Dawson's
off.
starting the world's cheapest paint job. Just scuffing it.
We should paint that black.
Dude, that'd be sick. Look at that rust. Just building up.
Just so you know where to put your fuel in case you forget.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna sand this whole side down. It's gonna be sick. So we got it sanded, like good enough for us type sand. Dawson's starting to mask. Like, does it get much better than that? Like, that's the real question.
I don't think so.
Yeah, like I think I don't even know if like actual body shops do better than that, but
It's pretty quality.
yeah. For what is this gonna cost? Like $40 for this side probably. That's for
$1.
sandpaper, paint, and masking tape.
Yeah.
Just for this side, so we'll come back in a bit with the paint. Okay, so I got my back window masked off. Like, that's pretty good if you ask me. So should be able to paint soon. Dawson thinks he's like a painter. Getting that mint line. Holy, this guy's insane. Wow. Yo, Dawson, you're gonna want to do that too.
You don't tell me what to do. Oh, that's the key.
That is the key.
We're actually gonna do that.
So yeah, we're got the masking tape
We're
out.
nearly at the painting stage.
Nearly, but not really.
We're almost there.
Okay, so it's all masked. Like, it looks like one of those windows you draw when you're a kid.
Like on the
Yeah, like in preschool.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we just gotta wipe all this filth off. I would say wash it, but whatever. Too
We can
lazy.
wet these.
No, it's fine.
First person.
Yeah! You get all this. Oh yeah, look at that removal service. Shiny!
Shiny clean.
It's squeaky clean, dude.
Look at the.
You can see the line. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, you can.
Not from your angle. Can't see. Okay, let's see.
My eyes feel like they're baked.
No way, unboxing.
Oh, that's actually.
That's not bad.
I could fix it. a
Honestly,
little
that's fine. That's fine. Okay, so got the coat down. It's not dry yet, but that will go away, that spot right there, once it dries. But how long did that take?
10 minutes, 20 minutes.
Yeah, it's like the quickest paint job, just one coat. I know that's not the proper way to paint, but once again, this is a rust bucket, so I don't really care. It's good enough for me. Good enough for Dawson, he's happy. So We're gonna show you guys in a minute when it dries, so it'll look better.
Unmasked.
Unmasked footage.
Alright, we're gonna get the last spacer on the front left side. Gonna crack the tires.
Dude, these are torqued, man.
Those are torqued
I'm
to
gonna
spec.
get tetanus if I hit the fender.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm gonna need you to hop in.
Hop in.
Just got the 2-inch spacer on again, so now we're gonna take off the masking tape, give you the final reveal.
Here comes the final reveal. Yeah. Steezy. Easy. Sick.
How's it look, dude?
It's mint. Mint.
That's about as good as it gets.
Yeah.
I got wet, a little bit wet here,
Yeah, it's fine.
but it's good.
Looks sick. The spacer's on.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys. This is the $50 paint job. Just the side. We're gonna finish it off.